DéjaNikira here. So today's video is going to be kind of a tutorial slash discussion on maintaining curly hair. I was making a lace closure unit for a client, and I said this is the perfect opportunity to discuss the do's and don'ts. So I'm going to give you a couple of do's and don'ts. It's not going to be a long video. I don't want any of my videos to be long because people have attention spans of like guppies, so I'm not trying to be the person that talks too much and y'all click off my page. Combs. You must use a wide tooth comb. There's no such thing as using a rat tail comb, any other comb on curly hair. You will, one, destroy the curl pattern, and two, you will catch so much breakage and shedding, it will be ridiculous. So you must use a wide tooth comb. Even finger combing is okay. If you don't have a wide tooth comb, then go to finger combing. But do not use a rat tail comb or any comb with the teeth are really close together. The second thing to never do is over saturate the hair in product. So with curly hair, usually when you wake up, you'll take a water bottle, and you must use a water bottle that misses the water. The water sprays is like a stream direct line and it only hits one area. You need a water bottle that will mist the hair. That would give it a bigger area of coverage, but it's not soaking the hair. You don't want the hair to be soaking wet. You just want it to be a little damp and enough to comb or use a brush to run through the curls. So when it comes to the water, I use a leave-in conditioner spray. And I take 1/3 of the leave-in conditioner and then 2/3 of water, and I shake it up, and then I'll spray the hair. And I get it a little damp. I do not want it soaking wet, but you do need it to have some moisture in it because curly hair dries up fast and it'll get frizzy. So you need moisture. Next, I go in with my wide tooth comb and I detangle the hair. When you detangle hair, do not start at the roots of your head. That's how you get down to the bottom, the middle, and this clump, and then you can't get it out. Always start at the ends of your hair and you work out the ends, and then you move up. When you're dealing with curly hair, you must be gentle. You must use smaller sections. Do not take a big section and think you're going to be able to run through it. No, you have to go through smaller sections. The key to less detangling and less knotting and matting is to twist your hair at night. So when you have curly hair, so say this is your head at night, you'll take the hair. I usually go 2 sections, like split it down the middle and the back, and then break it up into 4 sections. So once you have 4 sections, you take one of the sections, and I will start up top as close to the root as possible, and then just do a simple 2-strand twist. And of course at night, I do the spritz with the water and conditioner mix, detangle, and then twist it. I do 4 of those all the way around, and then I pull it back. I twist it so that the ends are all together. I pull it up like this. Usually I'll take a small butterfly clamp and clamp it, and then I put a silk bonnet on. The next thing to never do with curly hair is to over finger comb your hair throughout the day. When you first wake up and you detangle your hair and you spritz your hair with the moisture, with the leave-in conditioner water mixture, it's going to be less voluminous. As the day goes on, that hair is going to poof up. If you're in a rush, take my blow dryer and with the specialized nozzle, and I'll just go through and give me some volume immediately, especially if it's like you're going out and you need to take flicks, like you need to take some bomb pictures right now. The lighting's perfect. You don't have time for your hair to dry, and you don't have time for your hair to gradually get bigger. Just be aware that when you do use the blow dryer to add some volume to your hair and to dry your hair, it will get big. When I say big, I'm talking about Diana Ross big, depending on how thick the hair is, how many bundles you have of the hair in your head, and the curl pattern. For me, the bigger the better. I love big hair, but some people don't really love big hair, so that's when you have to scale back and see what works for you. So that either means not that many bundles, or the products to use. To products, another don't is to use excessive amount of products. There are so many hair companies that have products designed specifically for curly hair, and those products work excellent on curly hair, curly texture weaves and wigs and stuff of that nature. But when you oversaturate your hair in product, or is constantly applying product to your hair because you want that look every day, just know that your hair is going to become so matted. Excuse me, your hair is going to become so matted, so heavy and dirty. And it'll have this feel to it. Like when you feel your hair, it just starts to feel nasty. I don't know how else to describe it, but it'll feel nasty. But when you're doing a style, put that dime size, quarter size, nickel size. So even if you want to go a $50 size, listen, just stay in the coin region, but don't get too big. And you rub it in your hand, and you run your fingers through the hair, and then you style. The product will spread throughout the hair, and that will prevent the coated hair look and feel, and it just ruins the style. It completely ruins it. Ways to go to sleep at night. If you have a unit that is removable, remove it. But still twist it, detangle it and twist it at night, because even though it's sitting on a mannequin head, sitting in the corner, it's still frizzing up as time goes on. It's losing moisture, it becomes dry. In the morning, you still have a headache in trying to style your hair. If it's a sew-in, of course, do the night routine. But when it comes to sleeping, if you do not have an oversized silk or satin bonnet, I do suggest buying silk or satin pillow sheets. I'm a wild sleeper, so I can wrap 4 scarves and 6 bonnets on my head, and I will wake up and they will all still be off. The pillowcases come in clutch because I'm still not sleeping on cotton pillow cases, which is terrible for hair. It's terrible. So definitely, I suggest, they're not expensive. You go to JCPenney's and actually get you some pretty cute and inexpensive and good quality pillowcases that are definitely worth it for protecting your hair, your weaves, and your natural hair. Do not go to sleep without anything on your head. That's like the #1 no. So pretty much that is it. It was a quick video that came to mind only because I was making the wig for the client. I said that this is very important because I was asked on, well, how do I maintain it, and this, that, and the third. So I said, why not just make a video about it? And also, I will definitely be giving you guys that flexi route tutorial because y'all have been in my Instagram DMs pressing me. So of course, like always, like, comment, and subscribe. Add me on all of my social medias, especially Snapchat and Instagram, because those are the 2 I am on the most. If you want to get in contact with me, definitely DM me. My page is open. I will receive them, and I do open my DMs, and I open them from everyone. Of course, go back and check out previous videos that I have posted. And if you're new to my channel, then you're going to learn this saying that I say in all of my videos, and you will get a hang of it, and you will catch it because it's quick and simple. So like always, stay cute and stay blessed, y'all. Till next time.